Thailand, and we're going to post office right now.
Yeah.
And also we're going to eat with Georgie.
McDonald's maybe.
Yes. Let's go.
Georgi want to transfer, send his document to Russia. Because you cannot send from the Philippines, but
Yes.
from Thailand easy.
Yes. Yes.
What are we going?
Hi everyone, yes, we will go to the post office. Post office near Walking Street in the Pattaya. I already been before and show to Georgi. Oh, another swimming pool. This is for children, not only for children. Siam. Okay. This parking. This is our hotel building. This is white. It's the one building, and another one is second building, second wing. This parking. Soi 2 in. So Georgi, we now in Soi 2.
Before COVID, here also was hotel. Now parking gone.
Here? Сабай Сабана. Паркинг. Chinese car, BYD. Look like Tesla. This is Chinese car, BYD. It's popular brand in China, in Shenzhen city. From Shenzhen city. I see so many electric cars also in Thailand. They built another hotel, I don't know name. Because I not understand what name of hotel. Another Chinese restaurant, Dragon Valley. Modern Chinese restaurant, Shaira. Yesterday you already been in one Chinese place. It's also another. It's another side. Yesterday we been already. We walk night time here, Shaira. You remember?
Yes.
Mood Hotel. We already in the beach road. Not hot, Shaira. But why you use jacket?
My feet so hot.
Feet so hot, but why you use jacket? Not hot for you?
No, but in my feet I said more hot.
Maybe you need umbrella or not? Georgi need to walk about 20 minutes, but very hot you cannot. Shaira? 20 minutes, or maybe we use jeepney. Jeepney, because it's 20 minutes, 20, this very hot, really very hot. Yes. So we will take jeepney and going to the post office. 5 minutes ride to car or bicycle, going to the direction Walking Street, and we will take jeepney. Or what name? What name of Georgi? Tuk Tuk. Name Tuk Tuk. Shaira, let's go. It's name Tuk Tuk. This is Tuk Tuk. Tuk Tuk. So many people with this. Okay. Inside. So we pay for jeepney 10 peso one ride, one ticket.
Oh, so it's cheap here. But
Cheap?
Yes. Oh, yes.
So jeepney cheaper in the Thailand.
Yes.
It's 10 baht. 10 baht. It's about 15 peso.
Same.
Same. So it's not cheap and not high.
But
Price.
they use here like tok tok.
Tuk tuk. What tuk tuk?
Tok tok.
Tuk tuk maybe. Tuk tuk. No, you already thinking about your TikTok.
Tok tok. I said
Okay.
tok tok.
It's tuk tuk, Shaira. Tuk tuk. What is this? Coffee? Near McDonald's.
Yeah, McDonald's.
Yeah, near McDonald's. Go inside from McDonald's.
Post office.
This McDonald's, and we turn right to post office. This street, Georgi, this post office and this street already have. Oh, this McDonald's and near the post office. Georgi, say hi. Shaira, I know your first time in Philippines post office. What do you think in the Philippines Thai post office? Sorry. So what do you think about Thai post office? Same like in the Philippines, yes? Okay. We're waiting Georgi. What? What again? Say what?
Just only they separate the post office to money.
What separate?
Like you need to take money from another country.
Also remittance in the Philippine post office.
It's same.
But in the Thailand you can only send something like post. But in the Philippines also you can transfer money.
No, it's not the same.
Not the same? Okay. Все. First you need to buy envelope here. Envelope is 10 baht. Also have this is rates. Are you finished already, Georgi? How much, Georgi, you pay for envelope from the Thailand?
10 baht.
10 baht you pay envelope.
160.
260 you pay for from the Thailand to Russia.
Yes,
It's only letter.
yes.
Only letter. What do you think? It's only document. Expensive or not? What do you think? But you no choice because from the Philippines you cannot send.
Yes.
Only from Thailand. Okay. Shaira, let's go.